guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to share to you how I do my go-to makeup. So I'm in the office right now and Brinsky, say hi. No, it's okay. So I just thought I want to share to you guys how I do my everyday makeup. This is not necessarily like an everyday look, but this is more like my go-to makeup for the past probably 2 weeks. 2 weeks na akong gumagawa ng ganitong style of my face. So it's actually weekend and it's so quiet here sa office, so I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Yeah, so without further ado, let's start. So first I'm going to do is apply moisturizer, and this will also serve as my primer. I'm currently using Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. This is so gentle and this is so good for the skin, although I have a bump over here. Ayan lang, isa lang yung parang super active pimple ko. So dito ako sa tapat ng window, so baka mamaya magbago-bago yung ilaw because the sun is shining and then it's not, and it's shining again and then it's not. So next I'm going to do is I get this Detail Makeover Illuminating Primer Oil. Kita, ever since I got this, I use this every day. Kaya tingnan mo naman, ganyan na lang yung laman niya. I love it so much. It does the job of giving me a subtle glow, and at the same time, parang ang ganda niyang i-mix up sa foundation. So that's what I usually do for the past couple of weeks na. So I get a foundation, and I'm currently using a L'Oreal True Match liquid foundation, and my shade is in G4. And then I get the Detail Makeover Primer Illuminating Oil, like that. And then I just mix it. This is perfect for those who have normal to dry skin, but you can skip this if you have oily skin, or you can use it pero dito lang sa side na to, not so much on the T-zone. So I just apply it all over my face. Everyday makeup ko as much as possible. I don't want to use like a full coverage foundation. I still want to let my skin breathe. After my foundation, I'm going to use this Caroline contour stick. This is one of my favorites, you guys, and as you can see, wala na siya, sagad-sagara na siya, pero tinatry ko pa rin siyang gamitin. I'm gonna have to buy a new one, but I love this. So I pick up the product sa isang finger ko, and then I just put it like that. Kung may laman pa to, gaganyanin ko lang siya. Pero since wala na, hindi ginagawa ko. After the face, I contour my nose next. Diba? After the contour, I highlight my face na, but depending on my mood, sometimes I use the Everbalena Advanced Glow Out Highlighter, and then sometimes I use the Caroline strobe stick. But right now, parang napupusuan kong mag-strobe stick. But sometimes I use both. After ng strobe stick, papatuwang ko pa siya nung powder highlight. Next thing I do is my brows, and kapag hindi ako tinatamad, I use ito. This is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo. So andito yung stick, and then meron kang spoolie over here. But nowadays, for the past couple of days, I use this one. This is from Detail Makeover. Ito yung Make Brow Mascara. And kapag as you can see, super duper colored yung hair ko. And this one gives me brows na swak sa color ng hair ko. So tatabi ko muna yung bangs ko. And then what I do is I just brush my eyebrows with this. O diba? Instant color. So para sa mga girls dyan na may color yung hair and alam mo, you wanna complement it with your eyebrows, use this one. This is so pigmented, this is so nice. It stays on for a good amount of time. By the way, this one is in a shade light brown. Next up is the eyes. Sometimes I go straight with the mascara, but sometimes I use something muna bago mascara. What I do, guys, is I get a brown eyeliner. This one is from EB Advanced. This is their Silky Brow Liner. This is for the brows, but it's too creamy for me for the brows. So, dahil creamy siya, I use it as an eyeliner na lang. So, what I do is I just apply it like that. Ayan. And then I just smudge it. Smudge it all over my eyelids. And then next is I add more close to my lash area. And then I go sa bottom, as in sa ilalim ng lashes ko. And then I smudge too. So ina-extend ko siya ng konti dito. Ayan o. Para mas mukhang wider yung aking eyes. Ganun lang. Just add and then smudge, add and then smudge. Depende sa napupusuan yung gano'n ka-dark. To tell you guys what I like to do para magmukhang medyo Korean-ish. I emphasize my eye bags. Gumano lang kayo. Do you see this? Yes. Sometimes I put just a little bit. And then I blend it. I get a little bit of the highlight. Then na-highlight ko yung eye bags ko. And then I go straight to mascara, and sometimes I use eyeliner ba, pero ang tinatamad right now. So, eto na yun, and then I go straight to mascara. For the blush, I have 3 options here. Depende ulit sa mood ko for the day. So these 3. These 2 are the new Maybelline Fit Me blushes. This one is in the shade Rose and this one is in the shade Nude. This gives out a really subtle hint of color, and I love it so much kasi meron siyang a little bit of sheen to it. Kaya do you see that? Very, very subtle color lang talaga. And this is perfect kapag you have a light skin tone. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas mablushy pa over here, this one is in the shade Rose. Meron din siyang a little bit of shimmer to it. So, hindi siya ganun ka, ano mo yun, ka-matte. So, kung gusto mo ng mas pinkish and mas, you know, drunk blush-ish, ayan. The other option is this one. This is the Skin Potions Dream Cream. This is in the shade Harper. Pero ito, pag ginagamit ito, gagamitin ko muna sa lips ko. So, let me show you. I'm gonna do my lips first. So, I just apply it sa outer corners. Then I'm going to use my clean finger to like spread it. And then yung product ko rin dito, yun yung Ilagay ko sa cheeks ko. Meron ka ng lip product, meron ka pa sa cheeks mo. This is actually 3-in-1. Lips, cheeks, and then sa eyelids. And then sa lips ko, hindi lang yan yun. Hindi ko lang bakit medyo reddish siya sa... But it's really actually nude pinkish in person. And then I get, this is optional, pero I usually get itong L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Matador. And then I just put it to inner corners. Using my fingers again. Last step, I get a powder. This one is from Maybelline as well. Yung Dream Satin Skin in the shade 01 Light. I just get a big brush and then just very lightly sweep it all over my face. Very, very light lang, because I don't want to lose the glow, you know? I want to add a little bit more of highlight. I'm gonna get my highlighter, my wet beauty sponge, and dab a little bit. Then some mga areas where I want to add more highlight. And you know what, guys? Sometimes I also contour my lips. So I just get a brown eyeliner. I darken this area right here. And then a little bit on top over here. Meron akong actually video na ginawa how to plump your lips without surgery. I'm gonna link it somewhere. And then dito sa baba. So yeah, we are done. This is my everyday go-to makeup. So that completes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope kahit simple lang yung ginawa ko, nag-enjoy pa rin kayo. So I just really want to share something to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!